going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we just got the headers in today from Black Widow from the UK. Took them probably about 5 days to get here, so super quick turnaround. Super stoked to get these on. Then we got the Q3 pluses from Dunlop. We're gonna be throwing these guys on and getting rid of the battle axes. Pretty much just got to take apart the header system and then put in the new headers, throw in the slip on, and we're ready to go. So hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll catch you next time. Alright guys, so I want to give you a quick look at the Black Widow system before we throw it on. Pretty impressed with the welds and the quality for what, the price that you're paying for these. They're out of the UK. These are stainless steel. They're not titanium, but they look super nice. Here's your O2 sensor bung. Got some spring clips back here. There's your four pipes for each cylinder. Mask off the top, which is nice, but build quality feels really nice. Give you some spring clips here, O2 plug if you don't want to use it. 4 exhaust gaskets and some assembly paste, which we probably won't use. But just wanted to show you guys the pipes before we throw them on. Pretty happy with it so far. Well, since we are swapping out the front tire, might as well just take it off now and give us a little bit more room to work on these headers. So we'll start with this guy. So that's something I just learned. If you have a pit bull front stand and you're trying to take off your front tire, definitely raise this piece up so you can literally just drop your tire from the bike. I couldn't get mine out because of the calipers on each side because this was too low, so I had to take the calipers off, and it's kind of too late to raise the bike now, but we'll just throw the front wheel back on with the new tires and put the calipers back on, and she'll be good. But just something to note if you're working on with a front stand. So we got the first part of the headers installed into the cylinders. They're fitted pretty loosely, so we can line up the mid-pipe section. Here's the outlets right here, so we're going to put some anti-seize on there and then hook up that midsection. So we're going to be using heavy duty anti-seize. This is actually made to work best with stainless steel. So we're going to be applying this on the inside of the mid-pipe section, which connects to the header pipes from the cylinders, just in case we ever need to remove this. So we're going to apply this on the inside here. So I think I ended up doing this backwards, because when the pipes going into the cylinders were mounted, I couldn't get the bottom mid pipe to line up, so we just mounted it directly to the mid pipe, and we're going to try to fit it now.
Vroom, 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 vroom.